Hello, gorgeous. I hope you can stand my doing some hashtag 365 days of samples with no makeup on. I still have this little cut right here, and so I'm trying not to put on makeup for a couple days. And I've also just done a mask, and I'm also doing an oil treatment on my hair, which is why it's sticking up in all directions. This stuff is great, by the way. And I don't put it on after I wash. I put it on, you know, like an hour or a half hour before I wash, and let it sit there, and I go wash my hair. So anyway, I know I'm looking wonky here. Okay, let's begin, shall we? Had a sample of Pura hair loss prevention and therapy shampoo and healing conditioner. And I've had the full sizes of these, and I like it. And I do believe it makes some difference. And so I don't have to purchase right now. I have 2/3, 3/4 full bottles. I'm not sure. I'm presuming this is pronounced Ouai. O-U-A-I. Ouai. Repair shampoo and repair conditioner. And I'm not sure I have anything I need to repair. My problem isn't an overabundance of product. My problem is, or dyed hair. My problem is that it's falling out. I had used up a sample of the Bulgari Eau de Parfum a while back. This is the Bulgari Lotion, and it works slightly better on me than the perfume does, and I still can't find out what's in this. And I still wouldn't go out and buy it because it's not extraordinary on me. But this lasts a long time and smells a little better. So that's just me, though. That's my body chemistry. Next is Sisley. This is Botanical Body Slimming Gel. I used up 2 of them. And it is a gel. It is brown. And it doesn't slim me. Bless its little heart. No, it doesn't slim me, but I like the gel. I like the way it feels. I even like the way it smells. But I won't buy it again. Another Sisley. This is the Sisley Botanical Special Contour Cream with essential oils and algae extracts. And this didn't give me any contours. These Sisley products, they may work on somebody thinner, but I have a lot of weight to lose, and I don't think anything like this is going to make a visible difference to me until I am my normal weight I should be. This is Erborian Bamboo Waterlock Mask, Hydro-Plumping Mask, and I used this a few weeks back in the video which marked the first one in the return of the Guru versus Goober, which is Sundays at 1 o'clock Central Standard Time with Cheryl Coyote. And I like this very much, and I will probably purchase this at some point. It was super hydrating. I felt very soft. It didn't claim to, but it seemed to do a lot of good work on my pores through here. I couldn't see the pores in through here at all, and these seemed reduced. Even though it makes no claims to do that, it did that. And yeah, I liked it a lot. You've heard me over time probably talk about this or that throat cream, this or that neck cream not doing anything, but saying to you, but the Sisley throat cream is the one that I've used and did make a difference. So this is, yeah, this is the, I used up 2 of them. The Sisley Botanical Throat Cream, and I mean, this is just a little bit. I had a jar of it, and the jar, over time, I did see some difference, as did my friend Sam and my husband Richard. So I can recommend this one. I think it's very expensive, though. I think it's, for a little jar, you know, a normal-sized jar. What's a normal-sized jar? I don't have a normal-sized jar sitting in front of me to tell you. Yes, I do. For a jar about the size of a Moisture Surge, it's, I think, around $100, maybe a little more. So it's really expensive. Of course, it doesn't take much either. So I don't know. This is Hada Labo Skin Plumbing Gel Cream. This is a humectant. You put this on as the first step of your skincare while your face is still damp, and this holds in the moisture. I like this very much. I bought a jar of it. I like it ever so slightly less than the Neutrogena of the same sort of thing. The Neutrogena is called Hydro Boost Skin Gel. So I bought this after I bought the jar of Labo, and I do like it slightly more. I couldn't tell you why. Could I? I think it's the texture. I like the texture a little better. It seems a little smoother to me. This was DHC Beauty Lift Cream. It seemed to be a nice moisturizer, but I got no lifting action from it. This is Laura Mercier Tarte au Citron body lotion. So it's tart citrus. I love this a lot. I couldn't get that little, even with a thing, I couldn't get that little dollop out. Darn it. Wait a minute. I have a smaller one now. Maybe I can get that last bit out. I like this so much, and for some years this was discontinued. No, this won't go in there. I'm done. It's over. Anyway, Richard bought it. They re-released it about 2 years ago, and Richard got some for me. Yeah, it smells like citrus with a little bit of vanilla in there to make it not quite as acidic or tart as citrus would normally be. And I don't usually like vanilla. I can't even guarantee you the vanilla is in there, but something is in there to take the edge off the citrus, and I love it very much. And when I run out, I will repurchase. This is Shiseido Cleansing Foam Vital Perfection. Yes, I took it off to finish it up, and I love this. This is a great face wash. It's a cream rather than a lotion. I said that. Cleansing foam. Crème mousse nettoyante. I don't know. Anyway, it's a cream. It's kind of cream colored. In other words, a little off-white tending toward the yellow. And man, it really gets the grime off, and it really leaves your face feeling soft and plump and hydrated. This is Fresh V-tonic Foaming Shea Butter Body Cleanser. I used this once, and then there's probably still some more in there, but I'm throwing it out. I just didn't like it very much. It didn't foam up very much. It says foaming, but it didn't foam up very much. Excuse me. I didn't even really feel quite clean. I believe at some point I even gave up and added some Dr. Bronner to the mix. I wasn't really impressed with that. This is Hana Organic Skincare Eye Oil. This is a sample size. This is what I was using at night before bed because it would be too greasy for the daytime. But it was really, I was impressed with this. It was nice. I'm not going to say it filled out the lines, but it seemed to keep the area smoother and less crepey than it normally is. That's what I was trying to say. Weleda or Weleda, Pomegranate Regenerating Body Oil. And I don't know about regenerating. This is one of those things that I just added it to my body lotion at night. The one I'm using that I would like to be a little more humectant. And it smelled really good. It still smells really good. And yeah, it was nice. I don't think I'd probably buy it, but it was nice and added a little more to what my body lotion didn't have. Okay, these are two products by Aromatique Bath. One of them is Splendor Perfumed Body Lotion. This just didn't smell right, so I ended up not even using it, or not even using it much. I mean, I took a dab out because I didn't like the smell, I put it on my hand, and I just didn't like the smell of it. I can't really describe to you what it smells like. But whatever perfume is in this, I just didn't care for. And this one, I guess it was called Splendor. This one is Heather Body Lotion. I guess so. It smells sort of like roses, but it also smelled just a little like it wasn't supposed to smell. I mean, maybe there's heather in there, but there's also a slight odor of something burning on the stove. Yeah, roses, heather, and something burning on the stove. And likewise, I tried this on the back of my hand, didn't like it, I'm not going to finish it. I'm throwing those out. And that, believe it or not, this week is 3 weeks worth of samples. Love y'all. See you next time. Bye.